Alright, today we're going to be installing the under-seat heat control kit for a 2022 Honda Pioneer 1000. First thing you want to do is locate your instructions that come with the kit of the seat right here. Your lever right here is in front. Go ahead and release the lever. Pull the seat up. See that lever right here? Go ahead and pull that out. Remove your seat. Also going to need to remove this tray right here. Simply pulls out. Nothing holding this one in place. The next thing you want to do is remove the 5 10mm bolts holding the back of the seat in. It'll be located here, one in the center, and then same thing on the passenger side. Once all the bolts have been removed, pull out your seat. Once you have your seat and all the plastic panels removed, you can access the engine compartment where the heat shield is going to go. So you want reflective side down, center bars right here. Go ahead and tuck it up underneath like so. Make sure this little cutout is to the front. Obviously you can kind of see where it goes. It's going to line up with all the appropriate holes here. Now with this top part, everything's disconnected. You're going to want to slide this up back behind the seatbelt bolts. Again, everything's going to line right up with these holes, so you know you got it in the right spot once the holes are lined up. Same thing over here. There is additional mounting holes, but this is going to tuck down below the engine, block everything from coming up into the cab. Now before you put any clips or anything in, you're going to want to make sure you reattach the coolant line hose with that little clip that you took out. Again, there's a pre-cut hole for you, so that's going to go right up through there, like so. And then same thing here for the fuel line clip. There's a cutout there and here for the same. Go ahead and reattach your fuel line. And lastly, don't forget about your vent. The vent is going to come up through this hole here and then go back into the frame. Alright, now you're ready to put your pins in. Alright, lastly, once you have the heat shield in place, take the supplied clips, simply put them in the holes, push it, and once it's in place, go ahead and push down the lock. This area here is meant to be a little bit more looser fit, so the tray can actually fit back down in here. Now that the heat shield is installed, go ahead and reinstall your under seat panels and your seat, and go out and enjoy that ride.